EtherGlobe is a next-generation, decentralized, transparent, and AI-based self-executing crowdfunding platform on Ethereum smart contracts. EtherGlobe has its own EGDT crypto tokens that are available for buy-sell in big crypto exchanges.
Feel uninvited.
In this video, I will tell you that how you can earn up to 1000 Ethereum very easily, and only you have to invest 0.1 Ethereum. Then you just have to work on the entire platform of the EtherGlobe. And the best part of the entire platform is this, that at this time, no one is the owner of the platform. It is a self-executing software algorithm that performs the function of the distributing partnership rewards between the members of a community based on the transparent metrics plan. The code for the contract is the public domain, and it does not permit anyone to interfere in the predefined process. Transaction information can always be viewed at the link etherscan.org. So it is 100% transparent and 100% decentralized, so your all funds will be in your hands. And here you can see, simply you can sign up with your personal MyEther wallet address or with your MetaMask address, and then you can use the entire platform of the EtherGlobe. And also you can check out one more thing. When you are going to start, simply you have to start up with 0.1 Ethereum, and then whenever you are going to refer anyone, you will definitely get some good amount of Ethereum, and simply you can withdraw that Ethereum directly in your any other account, in your any exchange account. So it's entirely very easy, and especially for the influencers, you can basically make the videos, or even you can write the blogs on it, and you can simply earn number of things directly from the EtherGlobe. And here you can see the entire presentation in some different languages like English, Hindi, French, Russian, Arabic, and also in the German language. So you can easily check all the details about the EtherGlobe on their main presentation page. Now the best part about the security, basically all the members have their money in their own wallets. There is no central admin or the control on execution and disbursements. Everyone gets his her share instantly. The transaction happens according to predefined smart contracts. Secondly, if for example, if you are the last person of the network and cannot refer anyone, you will not lose. You are getting EGDT tokens at the rate of 0.001 Ethereum totally free, and it has a potential to gain value in global exchanges. If the value of EGDT goes to about $1, that is very low, the partner will get $1,000 from EGDT against the investment of 1 Ethereum. You can use all type of wallets, especially the MetaMask is the recommended one by the EtherGlobe. Now the best question which I am going to answer everyone, that how you can sign up on the main platform of the EtherGlobe. And here you can see the entire presentation, and you can easily check on the main platform. I will share the link in the description. And the best part, how you can register. To register with the EtherGlobe, you need to send 0.1 Ethereum to the smart contract in order to activate the EG3 and EG4 platforms. The transaction itself constitutes your registration on the platform. When topping up a crypto wallet, you need to account for the network's commission, which is usually about 0.02 Ethereum. So in maximum 0.12 Ethereum, you will be eligible to use the entire platform. Here you can see all the answers of the questions, and simply the team is available for you on their social media, so you can easily message them and you can ask whatever you want to ask regarding the EGDT tokens, and secondly about the EtherGlobe. So it's your time to grab the opportunity, and you can make some good amount of Ethereum every day with the help of EtherGlobe. Thanks a lot.